algorithms example. Okay, so now we'll see how to solve this A star algorithm. So A star search algorithm. So now we are going to deal with an example. So example, I will draw a graph over here. Assume B. Okay, from B here it is going from B to D, from B to A to B, we have A to B, and here this is the initial node, S to A, 1, 2, 5, because here we have to calculate the weight also. So from A to C, here also we have a weight 1. From C to D also we can go with a weight of 3. And here we can go to the goal node with 4, weight 4. And from D also we can come to goal with weight 2. And from here also we can go with a weight of 10. Okay, goal node. So now we'll draw here the state and the h of n, because h of n and g of n only we have to add both this one. So here first is S, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, B, and G. And similarly, here we have to check what are the values. S is having 5, we assume 5. And here we are having assume to be 4, 3, 4, 2, 2, 6, 0. So these are the values we assume to be. And this is the goal node we have to reach with the shortest path. Okay. So now first step, what we have to do, first step, I am writing the first step. So first step is from S, I am assuming that it is going to A. So what is, this is called f of n, okay. So f of n is equal to g of n plus h of n. So what is g of n? G of n is s to a is 1. So s to a is 1. H of 1 plus h of n. What is that h of n? A's value is 3. Weight is 3. So it is equal to 4. Similarly, if you want to go to S to, from S we can go to A or to G. So suppose if you want to go to S to G, what will happen? Similarly, f of n will be g of n to h of n. G of n is 10 and h of n of g is 0. So 10. So which is smaller, this is smaller. So this one you have to put it in the hold. So now we can take this one. From S to A we have moved. From A, after reaching A, where you can go, either via C you can go or via B you can go. So now as I'm assuming that I am going via, so first is S to A, S to A to B, one path. Another one is S to A to C is another path to reach the D. So similarly, if you are adding G of n and H of n from S to D, what will be? 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. And similarly here 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So this is highest value, we have to hold it. And now this you can use. So now yes, AC. After reaching C, it can go either to D and then you can go to G, or directly to G you can go. So what is the third step? The third step is S to A to C, C to D. This is one part. Another one is S to A to C, C to G. Another one part. So here what will be the f of n? F of n will be 5 plus 6 equal to 11. And here what is, this is 6 plus 0 equal to 6. So now here this one we can have and this we have to hold. So now which is the, now we have reached the goal also. So what will be the cost or answer for this problem? Answer is, yes, from S we have to go to A, from A to C, C to G. So what is the total cost? Total cost for this is 6. So this is the lowest part. With the cost we are going to the reaching the destination. So I hope you understand. So you assume that this is the graph. From S to gold we have to go. This is the weights we are given. The cost is given and weight is given over here. So start. We are written all the nodes here and their weights here. So this is G of n and this is H of n. You understood? So this is called as G of n. All these values here are H of n. So from S, it can either go to G via this path, direct path, or via A. So both we have to take. So first I am assuming that from S it is going to A. So what is G of n plus H of n? So G of n is S to A is 1 and A is weighted, that is H of n is of A is 3. So totally 4. S to G is 10 plus G's value is 0. So 10. So this is the highest value. So hold this. So after reaching A, what it can do from A, it can go to B or to C. So I am taking it to both the possibilities, to A to B and S to A to C. So now here from A to that is S to B. B is 2, 1 plus that G of n is 1 plus 2, that is 3. And what is the B value? It is 4, so 7. So here S to C is 1 plus 1, 2 and C value is again 2. So 4, this is the lowest value. So same process is repeated. After coming to C, it can go to, from C it can go to D or to G. So both the probabilities we have to take. When I'm taking both the probabilities and again when I'm doing G of n and H of n, you will get this is as 11 and this is 6. So which is lowest? So this is. So the total path from S to A to C, C to G, the total path, the lowest cost is 6. So this is assumed to be the lowest and shortest path for this problem. Students, I think you have understood what I have told in A star algorithm. We will see you in the next class.